Welcome back. How are you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna give you a little bit of quick insight about this wire stripper by MulWark. As you can see here, the name's on the handle, MulWark. This is a good tool to have if you're an electrician or have some projects you're doing like that incorporates wires and stuff. This tool is gonna make your job easier. It's gonna help you strip the wires, cut the wires, and so on. So let's go ahead and open this. So let's take it out. So it does not come with any instruction manual. Oh, I just rip that off. Anyway, I mean, this is, you can just go to online websites and get information about how you use the white color. As you can see on the black plated cutter, all the holes are labeled so you know what it's for. So at the very top you have over here pliers, so you can use this as a tool like a pliers beside of wire cutter. Over here we have different sizes of holes for wire stripping, and if you go down we have more holes for different purposes. And if you don't know how to use them, you can just go online and search on uses of pliers and stuff. This tool is built really well. It's pretty sturdy. The metal it's made from is forged steel, so if you drop them, it's not gonna make a dent or anything, and it's not gonna break. The handle is pretty ergonomic. It's made of silicone rubber, so it adds grip when you're handling it. And also to avoid slips when you're cutting wires, to avoid accidents and stuff. So let's go ahead and actually try some stripping some wires. I have some wires over here, so let's go ahead and strip this. So just look for the holes that it fits, like this one. So just cut it over here, and there you go. Just make sure to not damage the wire inside, because if you damage it, then you're gonna have a non-working wire. So just keep that in mind. So if you're interested in getting one, I'm gonna leave the product link on the description below where you can get it from. And if you haven't done so, follow all my other accounts. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.